Hello guys, in this video I would like to explain that how you can make nice graphs in ArcGIS, or you can say nice maps for your research articles, publications, thesis, and technical reports. You can see this map. This is the Upper Indus Basin, and there are various stations which is labeled with their names. And the title is Upper Indus Basin. You can see this is the indication that where is north, east, west, and south, and this is the distance. And legend, the stations are these dots with the names, and this is the UIB Upper Indus Basin, and this show the elevation from low to high, mean that the blue color and then green is low and this color as high elevation. And this is the range of elevation. 311 meter is low and 8,583 is high elevation in this map. Now, how you can make this such type of graphs? You can make this, zoom it, and you will see still nice graphs. It will not blur. You can maximize, and you can see this name as really clearly mentioned. Very easily you can read, and so. Now I will explain that how you can make such type of graphs in ArcGIS. Okay, so this is ArcGIS. We are starting now. So let's save some data. I will need to repeat clipping because I don't have clip data now with me. So I need to clip the data first. So I will repeat my previous lecture a bit. Let's go to this, and then I have data in this in ArcGIS, and then making UID Upper Indus Basin. With me, the target file, the target, this is the overall file for the Upper Indus Basin. I need now to clip this again. So with this is the UIB Upper Indus Basin. First, I need to clip this, and then I will do the remaining steps that how you can make some type of nice graphs, which I shown. Okay, so now let's go to the Arcs toolbox. Okay, let's wait. Okay, and now just go to data management tools, then go to rasters. This we have done already. The link is mentioned in the description of this video. And then raster processing, and then clip. Double click on the clip, and then you need to mention the input raster, that is target UIB. Of course, we need, this is the input for us. And the output extent as UIB subbasin, we need to do on the basis of this, the region with this. And then we need to click here and here. Just click on this. This will take a while, and then we will have a new map, a new dim file according to this shape file. Okay, let's wait for a moment. Okay, now I need some other data, which is the data with the station, which I need to label this map. I mean, I will make a map. I mean that map with some station, and I need the coordinate of those station, the latitude and the longitude. So this is one of the data. There are 8 stations. Serial number is not necessary. Latitude, longitude is important, and the station name is important because I need to map these station with these latitude and longitude on the map which I will create. So you will see that how you can do that. And then these are the sub basin, upper Indus basin. I will try to map this as well and make some nice graph like which I mentioned already, like this. Our publication, our reports, our thesis. Still it is in process and it will take time in the clipping. Okay. When this process is complete, you will see a new file will be added, and you will see that okay, now this is completed. Sometimes you can see a message here that clip and with the tick mark. And I put it this, there is cross mark, then this means that it's not successful. You can see there is a message clip, tick mark with the clip, and you can see that a file is added here, target underscore clip 2. So this is now that file. Now I need to uncheck this. So this has been removed. This was the main file. And now I need to remove this as well, this sub basin. And you can see this is the UIB dim data, upper Indus basin dim data. You can color this from here. Just doing this like this, whatever color you want, you can do. It's look like this. Yes, I think I like this one. So maybe you can color different, that's up to you. Now I need to add the station data with the coordinates like, but remember that you need to go to the file, click on add data, and then you don't need to click on this one. You need to click on data, add XY data, I mean latitude and longitude data. Click on this and now click on this. My data is in making UIB, this data. If your data is in another directory, you need to navigate to that directory and then add on the file. I would recommend you need to make CSV file, .csv file. Click on this and this. Okay. You can see there are some dots you added to this data. These are different stations, but the names are not appearing here. So you need to ask a question that how you will distinguish between different stations, name of station. So to solve this problem, you need to click on this stations. You need to right click on this and then need to label features. You can see now the names are added to each station, so you can differentiate now. So this is now you have done this. You have a map, you have a data with the latitude and longitude, and you map the data, the names of the station on this data. Now you need to save this file in a nice way. For that, you need to go to insert. Okay, first you need to go to view and layout view. The current is data view. The current view, this view is data view. You need to go to layout view. So this is now layout view. You need to adjust this file because this map, because this is a bit away from here. Okay, you can do like this. I will rather say you can make this a little more like this, then like this, and then you can make this map little zoom. Okay, I think this is enough now. It's right. Okay, this is okay now. And now you need to add the title. This whatever title you want. I think in my opinion, title is not important because you need to make mention that in the caption when you are doing in your research paper or your thesis. However, this is you can add like this. Upper Indus EASIN. So this can be the title. You can see it is appearing here. Now you need to name to make the legend for this. Okay, you can just preview this if it is looking good. Okay, this is now the legend for this file. However, some things are not clear, like station, something is just coming from here directly and it's not looking like good. So you can do like this. You can change this file, this name here, and you will see it will be changed. It will change directly. Maybe you can write not all these capitals, P-A-T-I-O-N. You can see it is changed directly here. And you can see this is target clip 2. I think this is not a good idea. So you can write, you can change this as well. This can be UIB, upper Indus Basin. So it is directly changed here. And now value, what is mean by value? You will understand you are making this graph, but no other will understand this. So you can change this as well. Change this to elevation. This is elevation. Elevation in meters. Elevation in meter. So it is already, it is also changed. So this can now understandable, an understandable caption. You can do like this. I think this is okay here. Now you need to add some other things. Those things are also important. I mean that you need to add north arrow. I mean, you need to, because no one will know that what is mean, or where is the direction, which is north, which is south, and it is east and west. You need to add such type of things like this. You can add like here, whatever you want, where you want to do this. And the other thing is, you know, you need to add scale bar. That's also important. That will complete the map. You can add many different types of whatever you want, whatever is your interest. You need to select one of them, and then you need to go to properties, because this will do this directly, whatever in whatever form that is. But if you do this, if you click properties, you can do different things, like this unit is mile. You can calculate, you can convert this to kilometers. If you like miles, you can do miles. Level position is after bar, and I want this above center, and then I think it's okay. It's fine for me. You can do many things. You can do changes if you want, but for me it's okay. And now you need click OK. So it will appear here. So this is now a self-explanatory map. Now you can save this now. I would like to make this little like here. This is now outside, so I need to go to pan and make it down. Okay, now it's clear. Okay, now you can go to File, Export Map. Okay, export map, and now you need, this is the name, so you can write UIB. UIB. It is already there, so I will need UIB 01. So this is now the new file. You can change the format. There are many formats, EMF, EPS, AI, and so on. You can, I will save in TIFF, so you can save whatever you want. Remember that for publication, you need at least 300 dpi. So you can change this. You can change this to depend. I already changed this to 500, and these are the fixed according to this dpi. So you need to save this at least 300 dpi for publication, so that the maps are very clear and looking nice. Save. Remember the name of the file, that is UIB underscore 01 r-01. So this was the previous one. Okay, so this is now UIB underscore 01. This is the file. You can crop this. You can crop in any software. I mean, in software in which you can use the file or image can do. So let me do this. Okay, I can do like here, cropped. Just need to do this because you do need this space which is mentioned. Okay. And it's looking like nice now. Okay. I'm just replacing this. I don't want to say it's multiple time. Okay, so this is now the new map, which after cropping, so you can see it's very nice map. Everything is mentioned there, the title, the legends, stations, UIB is this elevation in meters, and this is low and high, and this is scale bar, and this is north arrow. You can make this larger and you will see. You can make like this zoom and you will see this is not blurred. This is very clear, very okay. You can make such type of noise crops in R. These are different. North arrow is looking like this, yes. So you can make such type of nice crops in ArcGIS. This is okay. Now I need to make another crop. Just repeating the same procedure. You can go back to data view, so you will see like this. But remember that the other thing, when you go back to layout view, you will see the legend and the other things, the other stuffs there. Let me remove those first. I think I can do this like this, like this, like this, and this. Okay, now go back to layout data view. So this is data view. If you want to remove this station and add some other thing, okay, I just remove this, and you can see that I just want to show you that there are some sub basin in the upper Indus basin. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. So these sub basins have their own names. This was just for show. Okay, now I need to go back to the original map. The same thing you need to do. You need to have the names of these sub basins with their longitude and latitude. If you have those, then you can easily map those sub basin on this map. I have this data, so I need to go back, just upload the data, and with the XY data, add XY data. Go to the directory, and I have this data in this file. Remember that in the first one that was station underscore new. You can see different dots, and the dots are reaching here. This is the last one of the last sub basin of the UIB. And just again the same way you can go back. Just click right on that file and label features. So you added already the name to this map, the sub basin of the upper Indus basin, and there are some sub basin, and also there are names of the station. So this include the file is here with me. I'll show you. This is the file name. Okay. Just need to open this. Okay. Okay, so these are 12, and this includes sub-basin and station as well. So this is not only sub-basin. So I map already these stations and sub-basin on this. Now you need to save this. Again, need to go to this one and go to layout view. You can see like this. I already done this, so you will see it will look like this. Insert again title. So title already I mentioned, so this will be the already title which you learn that how you can write this. Insert legend. Okay, you can do something like different. Just again go to, and you can, okay, legend, you can write legend. In this way you can do like this. This is the other way to make the legends. Little different, not very much different. Okay, and now you need to add, okay, there I need to do something in the legends. I need to make this nice because this is just the name of the file and it is mentioned in the legend. So you can write station. Station is not only station, stations, stations, and sub-basins. I will not write separately sub-basin for each, but you can write, you can understand what I mean. Okay, station and sub-basins. And UIB is okay. And elevation, I already told you that how you can change. So you can change here, elevation meter. If you can do any change here, just clicking like this or double click, one click and then another click, and you can change here and you will see that change here. Okay, now I need to add north arrow, and you can add different north arrow, whatever you want. It's up to you. Maybe you like some other things, like some people like this. Some people maybe like this, or whatever you want, you can add. It's up to you. Okay, I just need to let put like this. And now the last thing, which is scale bar. You can add different type of scale bar or whatever you want. It's up to you. These are options, so you can choose any one of them. Okay, now you can change. Okay, you can change the unit label position. I'll just above the center. I will just do like this. Click, then this, and then again. Okay. So this is now the map. Okay, and now, so you have done. Now you need to save this map. Export map. Now you can change the name. I will change this name to UIB02 now. And again in the TIFF format, but you can change the format if you want. And initially this will be different, but you can change this because for publication and good crops papers, you need at least 300 DPI. Just save this. And remember that it is saved in under desktop. So please, you should know the path. Okay, now I have done all this. I just need to see this now. This is the third one. Yes, this is the map. There are different sub-basins, stations, the full and self-explanatory. Now I need to open this. To make this crop because I don't need the space at the bottom. Okay, let's crop this until here. is okay. This is about the how you can make this, and again you can make it, zoom it, and you will see not look like blur map, and it should be very clear. You can do like this, you can see. No, I need to open in this another. Okay. Okay, okay. I think I did not save it properly. Let me do that again. The cropping procedure. Okay. Okay. I will just replace. Now it is saved properly. Okay. So this is the map. You can make this now. Zoom in it and you will see it's really a good map. You can see very clear, no blur. So this is all about that how we can make very nice crops for publication, research article, paper, and technical reports in ArcGIS with the fully labeled legend and all other things like north arrow and scale bar, title, etc. I hope that you learned many things and you can now able to create maps for yourself. If you like the content, please subscribe the channel so that you can receive a notification about the informative videos in the future. And thank you very much and see you in the next video. Ciao.